Hey guys, how are you? Vladimir here. I record this video not to share any technical thing, not to make any weekly forecast and any weekly prediction or any weekly outlook. It's not to show any setups of trades or anything like that. I record this video simply, well, you can see from my house, simply to say thank you. Yesterday I was celebrating my 35. I was lucky to have the day with my special people in my life, with my family, my wife, my kids. Well, I wish my parents could come also and be here with us, but it wasn't possible this time. And mainly, besides the family part, what got my heart very, very seriously was the fact to open the morning to all my channels, if it's Skype, if it's Telegram, if it's Facebook, if it's Instagram, LinkedIn, if it's the email, any kind of a channel me and my team have in our community. It was amazing to open the morning and see thousands of wishes from all around, and I am thankful big time for being able to stand in front of my communities and say thank you very much. I'm blessed and thankful for the opportunity to lead this community, to be able to share my knowledge and the things and the experience I gained during the years. And I hope to be helpful for you and bring benefits to your trading, and hopefully bring you to your goals and make you to achieve these goals. Thank you. I'm blessed for all the opportunities in my life, and thank you for the wishes, and for following me, for giving me the chance to share with you my knowledge, giving me the chance to be helpful, and the chance to feel important. Every person wants to feel important in his or her life. We want to be able to help others as much as possible. Everyone has his or her own way, and my way is in the financial industry, to show people how financial freedom is reached with your own hands and not anyone else help. No one will ever control your money as good as you will, because no one cares about your money the same way you do. So that's the way I chose to be helpful, to show simple people like myself. You can see when I record too, I don't have any production here. I recorded just for my phone, just to say thank you guys. That's very simple, like a friendly video, and not like a official suit and ties video. That's all. Keep working for your goals, keep fighting for your dreams, dedicate yourself and work hard. Success comes with hard work and with doing things differently. So once again, thank you for all your wishes. Thank you for being in the community, for giving me the chance to be helpful and to feel important, and also helpful to you. And I wish you only the best. Happy weekend. Yours, Vladimir Ribakov.